Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 7, Air and Atmosphere. In this video, I am going to explain you the topic nitrogen fixation. So let us know what is meant by nitrogen fixation. The phenomenon by which nitrogen is converted to nitrates and nitrites and get fixed to the soil. Or directly due to bacterial action is known as nitrogen fixation. So dear student, let us know about what do you mean by nitrogen fixation. The phenomenon or the process by which nitrogen is converted into nitrates and nitrites and get fixed to the soil or directly due to the some bacterial action is known as nitrogen fixation. Dear student, you should know that atmospheric nitrogen is fixed to the soil by two processes: biological nitrogen fixation and non-biological nitrogen fixation. So first I am going to explain you about the biological nitrogen fixation. So the process biological nitrogen fixation. So dear student, let us understand about the biological process. The symbiotic bacteria. Dear student, you should know that in a leguminous plant, a special bacteria used to present in the nodule of the root of leguminous plant. A special bacteria known as rhizobium, which used to present in the leguminous plant like pea, gram, bean. In the root, this bacteria is to present, and these bacteria is to trap atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into the nitrate and nitrite, which further this green plant used to convert into, or this nitrate and nitrite is being used to make protein, and this protein is essential for growth and development of the plant, dear student. So this way, by the biological process, by the action of symbiotic bacteria, rhizobium, which used to present in the root of the leguminous plant, trap atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrate and nitrite, which further by the green plant it is being absorbed for the formation of the protein. So this way, atmospheric nitrogen it is being fixed by biological process, dear student. Let us understand about the biological nitrogen fixation with the help of diagram. So dear students, let us understand with the help of the diagram biological nitrogen fixation. The leguminous plant So dear student, this is the leguminous plant. The leguminous plant like pea, gram, bean. So these plants are known as leguminous plant. Dear student, in the root nodules of leguminous plant, rhizobium bacteria is to present. Rhizobium bacteria, and it has capacity to trap the atmospheric nitrogen, and convert into the nitrate and nitrite. Now this nitrogenous compound absorbed by the leguminous plant and convert or help in formation of protein, and protein help in growth and development of the leguminous plant. Dear student, leguminous plant after completing the lifespan, it is to die, decay and later on the nitrogen present in the plant again it is being released back to the atmosphere. So dear student, this way by the biological process nitrogen fixation is being done with the help of the a special bacteria rhizobium which used to present or living in the nodule of root of the leguminous plant. So this way nitrogen is being fixed to the soil, dear student. Next I am going to explain you about the non-biological nitrogen fixation. Non-biological process. Nitrogen fixation. Dear student, now we will come to know that how by non-biological nitrogen fixation nitrogen is being fixed in soil and being used by the green plants. During lightning, temperature often reach as high as 3000 degrees Celsius. At such a high temperature, temperature nitrogen and oxygen present in air combine to form oxide of nitrogen. So dear students, how nitrogen fixation is being done by non-biological process. So it occurs during the lightning. During the lightning, temperature often reach as high as about 3000 degrees Celsius during the lightning period, and at such high temperature oxygen and nitrogen combine to form oxide of nitrogen. So let us see. Nitrogen combine with oxygen. And form nitric Later on, nitric oxide again combine with oxygen and form nitrogen oxide. So dear students, during the lightning period, nitrogen combine with oxygen and form nitric oxide. Again nitric oxide combine with oxygen present in air and form nitrogen oxide, or you can say nitrogen dioxide. Now the nitrogen dioxide combine with water vapor present in air. And form nitric acid. Nitric acid. Nitric acid, which along with the rain reach to the surface of the earth or in soil, which used to react with metal carbonate. So nitric acid react with metal carbonate. Calcium carbonate plus nitric acid, which used to form calcium nitrate plus water plus carbon dioxide. So this will, dear student, metal nitrate, which is being formed by the combination of nitric acid and calcium carbonate, and now this metal nitrate is being absorbed by green plant for the formation of protein. And as you know that the protein help in growth and development of the plant. So this way, by non-biological process, nitrogen fixation is being done. Let us see once again. During high temperature or during the lightning, the temperature used to reach above or reach till the 3000 degrees Celsius. At that time, nitrogen and oxygen present in the air combine to form nitric oxide, which further nitric oxide combine with the oxygen and form nitrogen oxide. Dear student, this nitrogen oxide used to combine with the water vapor present in the air and form nitric acid, which used to fall along with the rain and reach to the soil and combine with metal carbonate, which used to form metal nitrate. Later on, this nitrate is being absorbed by the green plant, and this way nitrogen fixation by non-biological process is being done. So dear student, please you read this two topic, biological fixation and non-biological nitrogen fixation. Thank you dear student.